Hi there. Here is a short video on how to access the log, whether it's the HLP log or any other log that you might be using, how to access the report of that log. So you can either scroll down if you've used the log recently, or you can go to the Browse Reports. The log should now show up in your reporting dashboard, and if you click the link or click View Report, you should be able to see the report overview that gives you a link to the actual log. It also captures the learning interactions and the fidelity checklists. And then each of the HLPs in this case are also, you can look at them one by one. You will want to use the filtering tool to filter. You can do it by academy year, which is helpful. You can do it by the person providing the supports, which would be you, the school they're at, the district they're at, or the number of years of teaching experience that they have. Also wanted to mention you could go to the type of teacher or the teacher who is being supported, so you could select your teacher in this way. You can also filter each of these in a similar way. Hopefully this helps with finding the data that you need to support your teachers. Thanks for listening.